Welcome. Thank you for joining me for this guided meditation. So I'd like you to get comfortable. You can either sit cross-legged. I like to sit on a cushion so my hips are a little bit higher. You can also just sit on a blanket. If this is already too much for you to just sit, you can also sit up against a wall, or you can lay down on your back. What's most important in a meditation is that your body is comfortable. So however that looks for you, please get into the position now and let's begin. So once you've found a position that feels best for you, you can place your hands on your thighs or down at your side, and then begin to close down the eyes. Take a deep breath in, fill the lungs all the way up to the top. Maybe pause at the top for a moment, and then exhale, open mouth, let it go. We're going to take 4 more deep breaths just like that. So as you inhale, feel the lift in the chest, the rise in the crown of the head, pause at the top, and exhale, open mouth, maybe even sigh it out, make some sound. Take 3 more. Last one, big breath. Seal the lips. And continue with those slow, deep breaths as you start to relax the muscles in the body, particularly in the face, the shoulders, around the stomach. As you start to soften the tension, and begin to invite that feeling of peace, that feeling of calmness, reminding yourself that you're in a safe place, giving yourself permission to relax, to let go. Maybe noticing the temperature on your skin. If you're outside or if you have your fan on, maybe you feel a breeze on your face. Or maybe you don't feel anything, and that's also a sensation. Maybe you hear sounds around you, birds outside, or maybe roommates talking, or kids playing, or whatever's going on around you. Just allow those sounds to be as they are, without trying to change them or control them or wish that they were gone. In fact, just invite them into your space. Let them be a part of this meditation, reminding yourself that you have the ability to always control what's going on within, even though you don't have control of what's going on outside. With each breath, you find a little bit more ease, a little bit more softness. And if there's something that's been on your mind that you've been carrying around with you, then for the next couple of minutes, I would like it if you could just let that thought go. Just see what it feels like in your body to let go of it. You can come back to it later, it's fine. But for now, just test the waters. Let go of it for just a minute or two. Put all of your attention on that beautiful breath. And just notice the subtle shift in your body and what it feels like to get that weight off your shoulders. Begin to bring your hands to your heart, the palms pressing together in prayer pose. If you're on your back, you can just stay there as you are. Just bring the palms together. And remember that it's, of course, good to think through things that have happened, or to think forward into the future and plan ahead for your big goals and dreams, but ultimately, the more time that you can spend in the present moment, then the healthier and happier your mind, body, and soul is. So you should really be so proud of yourself for taking a few minutes today to practice that attention training, to step into the present moment, and to invite that sensation of peace in the body and the soul. We'll see you in the next video. With love and gratitude from my heart to yours. Namaste.